The 1969 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am prototype began its journey on November 4, 1968, originating as a Palladium Silver Firebird 400 in Lordstown, Ohio. Handpicked by John DeLorean, Pontiac engineering underwent a transformation, molding it into the precursor of the Trans Am. Documented by PHS, it was dispatched to Royal Pontiac in Hollywood, CA, accompanied by a handwritten note from George Stevens, the car distributor for Pontiac Motor Division. Stevens orchestrated the inaugural press testing at Riverside Raceway in December 1968, featuring the novel GTO Judge and Firebird Trans Am. This silver prototype made its mark in various magazines such as Hot Rod, Motor Trend, Car Life, and Carcraft prior to its official release in March 1969. Renowned racing figure Jerry Titus acquired the vehicle from Royal Pontiac, utilizing it as both a daily driver and a test mule for TG Racing. It graced El Mirage Dry Lakes and Stardust Raceway, contributing to aero testing for downforce and lift. Post its sale by the Titus family in 1970, it enjoyed a 3-decade tenure in California. Under the meticulous care of esteemed restaurer Scott Tiemann of Supercar Specialties, the vehicle underwent a comprehensive restoration. Upon completion, it underwent rigorous testing to ensure optimal functionality, with the entire process involving meticulous disassembly and stripping down to bare metal. The body received a fresh coat of the appropriate palladium silver, while all chassis components were replaced and refinished in their original factory styles. The restoration of this Trans Am prototype is impeccably accurate, down to details like the T3 headlamps and authentic Firestone tires. The original XN code Ram Air 4 engine underwent a precise rebuild and dyno tuning by expert Dan Jensen. Likewise, the PQ code heavy-duty turbo hydromatic 400 transmission was meticulously rebuilt and detailed by Brian Stefina. Every aspect of this remarkable piece of Pontiac history has been scrutinized by PHS founder Jim Madison, affirming its precision and authenticity.